विमेन रिजर्वेशन तो सिर्फ एक बहाना था, असल में एनडीए को डीलिमिटेशन को लाना था। रियली, let's try to decode it. The 543 current Lok Sabha seats were locked on the basis of 1971 population census. And at that time, Indian National Congress was the ruling party and Indira Gandhi was the prime minister. Point to be noted. Now, the first argument of opposition and Congress is that the southern states will lose its significance in parliament because they have lesser population. अगर आपको अब population से इतनी दिक्कत है तो population shouldn't have been the parameter of Lok Sabha seats at first place. In reality, Congress is losing the game which was created by them. Now, the second and valid argument is this move is a disrespect towards the states who are keeping their population in control. States who actually focus on standard of living and family planning. The point is, Lok Sabha seats को कोई consider भी नहीं करता जब कोई family planning करता है. Fact is, Lok Sabha seat allocation and delimitation are primarily driven by population mandated by Article 82 of Indian Constitution. इस हिसाब से तो हर population census के बाद लोक सभा सीट्स में changes होने चाहिए थे. And if population is the only parameter of लोक सभा seats, then northern states के साथ गलत हो रहा है decades से, ना कि southern states के साथ. The fact is, opposition ने लोक सभा seats इसीलिए freeze कर दी थी because they knew that they are losing their grip in northern states and sooner or later they are gonna get defeated there. And they were also aware जिन states में उनकी grip actually अच्छी है वहाँ का population इतनी तेजी से नहीं बढ़ रहा. और ये बिल पास ना होने से साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स को और भी नुकसान होने वाला है. As delimitation is constitutional, it's gonna get implemented anyways. पहले जो 50% direct raise in seats हर स्टेट को मिल रहा था, अब वो नहीं मिलेगा. So this time delimitation is totally gonna be on the basis of population census. In short, freezing Lok Sabha seats was never a nationalist move or to protect some states' significance in Lok Sabha, but it was a smart move to protect their hold in Lok Sabha. Anyways, that was my opinion. Do let me know your opinions in comments.